Hi, welcome back on What Your Solve channel. I'm going to show you how to configure your hotspot and tethering in a Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to the separation, slide up, scroll down and go to the settings. Next, go to the network and internet, and there you have see then hotspot and tethering option. So click on it, and as you see, when you click on this slide, you will have your Wi-Fi hotspot. Click on it and there is the name of your hotspot. You can change it if you wish. There is a security personal and there is a hotspot password. There is a standard password randomly. You can write your own password if you wish, some different. You can turn off hotspot automatically by this option. You can set up the speed of your compatibility and make your instant hotspot on off or on. Yes, it's all about the hotspot. And there is also option the Bluetooth tethering. You can click on it to enable it, and that the phone is already enabled the Bluetooth tethering. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.